Eventually.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure if I'm feeling the crop top with the suspenders and then the leather pants, one fuck each color. I think that's a bit too much. But that's just my opinion. At the end of the day, they're professional stylists and I don't. So who am I to judge, right? Just an opinion.
Please don't attack.
At this point, I had no idea what I was getting myself into.
Excuse you? You are going to regret that one, young man. Hey yo, what's good fam? Back here again with another video. Welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see, I made a certain comment about a certain outfit from a certain member of a certain K-pop group. Damn, there were a lot of certains in that sentence. And now, I gotta pay up. Since I decided to be a fashion counselor, I thought it would be funny if I tried that same outfit, but with a twist. Of course, I need to recreate it using only stuff that I already own from my closet. Because one, I imagine that the original one is pretty expensive and we're trying to save money out here. So yeah, and two, because it may give you guys some inspiration to do yourselves and it's going to improve my craftsmanship. Wow, I'm surprised that I said that word correctly. I mean, it's all pluses.
Okay.
Before we get started, I must advise you, please bring your expectations to the lowest point possible. I never done a DIY. Before we get started, I must advise you, please bring your expectations to the lowest point possible. I never done a DIY before, this will be my first, and not only that, this will also be my first time trying to recreate an outfit. Wow, what can possibly go wrong? And why is also a big question. Why am I doing this? Well, this is all for your guys' entertainment, so if you don't leave a like and subscribe, like, I might punch a bee, like.
Don't test me.
Why you bully me?
Also, very important, the giveaway is still going on. All the information is on my previous videos, so if you like, want to enter and maybe win some money,
Go watch it.
Kowalski analysis.
And now, let's get down and funky. What? How old am I? Why did I say that? Okay, so first we need to divide this into steps. So, step number 1. Find a sweater that kind of looks like the one Kai's wearing and see if we can somehow turn it into a crop top. Step number 2. Find some leather pants or something that resembles that. Number 3, that's the easiest one. One black sock and one white sock. Step number 4, black dressing shoes. Now, for the suspenders, like I do not own a pair of suspenders, okay? I'm sorry, we're just gonna have to leave that out, but that's it. Let's get to work. Well, now we have all the pieces, it's time to put the outfit together. I want to make a cool transition, so I'm gonna clap my hands. And when I do so, I'm gonna be in a different outfit. Are you guys ready? Hey, I already see some resemblance, huh? Now we just need some small adjustments. So for the pants, I think we just gotta cuff them up a little bit. So, cause I think he has them cuffed up, or maybe it's the cut of the pants. So we can solve that pretty easily. When it comes to the shirt, we also gotta cuff it up, cause I think he has a pretty high crop top, like around the belly button line. So we're just gonna cuff it up a little bit. And I think to hold it in place, I was thinking like maybe put some tape and we'll just see if it works. Before the next segment starts, I gotta apologize for something. I totally forgot to film how I turned my sweater into a crop top. And that was the whole point of the video, like take something you own and turn it into like an outfit or something, like a DIY. I'm so dumb. What? Yeah. I mean, come on. Can you even tell the difference? Please tell me you didn't just think I was Sky for a second. Nah, but honestly, this looks terrible. I'm having second thoughts about even posting this because this is gonna haunt me forever. I look ridiculous, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this a 2 just because I tried, at least. And to embarrass myself a little bit more, I think it's only fair that I do like a dance routine or whatever.
Okay. All right. It's showtime. Hit it, Fergie.
Honestly though, I wouldn't be surprised if EXO contacted me after this video to be a new member. Like, you guys might be looking at a future K-pop star.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen, buddy.
So, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe. Join the gang, really helps out the channel. Don't forget to watch my previous video if you want to enter the giveaway. And I know you guys want to see more reactions. Calm down, trust me, they are coming. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. No, I gotta take all this tape off and undress everything I can cut. Damn it.
Hit it, Fergie. All the time I turn around, brothers gather round, always looking at me up and down, looking at me. These nuts. I just wanna say it now. Hit it, Fergie.
Bye, have a great time.